Hello everyone, thank you for watching another video from Accentuate. Now today I want to just record a very quick video and to show you what has been going on and what are the things that we have in place for you guys as our client. Now we are really happy that today we actually receive our company seal. So what happens is that we receive this, and in the packaging it's actually wrapped in a bubble wrap together with this box itself. So what exactly is a company seal? Sometimes you'll see that when companies issue certificate or in certain important documents, there'll be this sticker that is on the document itself, and then there's this embossed or 3D looking stamp. So a company seal, or sometimes we call it a common seal, is a tool that allows you to create a stamp like that, right? So this is a custom designed stamp that we actually designed with this company called Kiasu Print. So their charges are really affordable. Later I'll show you the invoices that comes together with it. Now this custom design, we actually wanted it to be designed this way, the company name in this manner, and we wanted the edges to have this flowery look. So these sharp edges, this one actually comes together with the sticker you buy. So these jagged edges, you don't have to design it, it's only this internal part. So we wanted the flowery edges, and when we go to many other vendors out there, many of them were not able to do a design like that because this is actually considered custom, right? So we have got the company name, Accentuate Private Limited, corporate seal. So this is our UEN number, our company registration number registered with ACRA itself. So now let me just quickly show you how much it cost me, or how much it costs Accentuate to make a company seal like that. So this is the invoice sent to us. This is Kiasu Print. You can actually go online and visit them at Kiasu Print. I think you Google search them, they will appear. So for a custom designed common seal, they only charge us at $49. So I thought it's really worth it, and it includes shipping fee. So it takes 3 days to ship over to us, and they actually send us the video when they drop it into the mailbox itself. So what is inside the package? Let me just show it to you for some of the SMEs out there, because I don't think this is mandated by the government anymore for every company to have a common seal like that. So in most cases, when you register a company with a corporate secretary, they do provide you with the option to make one, but it's no longer a must. So it's not as common as it used to be anymore. So this is how it looks like when it arrives in the mail. It's actually 2 pieces, so you can actually remove this thing. So it's actually 2 pieces like that. All you need to do is you just need to clamp this down. There's actually two edge over here, so all you need to do is you just squeeze this and you slot this inside, so it'll fit into the 2 holes down here like that. All right, so this is how it looks like. And in order to create that 3D embossed look, all you need to do is you just put your sticker in between, and then you squeeze and clamp it. It will create that 3D effect. Now the gold, the sticker that you see here, it comes in a few types of colors. The one that are more common in the market is actually red and gold itself. So when they send it over to me, they asked me what color I wanted. I told them I wanted gold color ones. So there are actually red colored ones in the market as well. So this is the red colored ones. Where can you buy them? You can actually go to popular bookstores, and at the stationery section you will be able to find the stickers there already. So let me just do a sample for you and show you how it looks like. So all you need to do is actually there's 2 options you can do, right? So one option is that you can actually take the sticker. And then you stick to a piece of paper, and then after that you just put a clamp in and you clamp it, and then the piece of paper together with this sticker will appear 3D. Now in certain cases, because this is a pretty small stamp itself, as you can see, the length is not super deep. So if let's say you need to clamp it at a place where it's slightly deeper into the paper, you might not be able to do it. So in those cases, right, all you need to do is you just clamp on the sticker first. So you just align that clamp nicely, and then after that you give it a light squeeze. So you give it a light squeeze, and once you do that, you can see that the 3D embossed effect comes out. So this is something that is really nice, and I really like what I see over here. I think the printer did a really good job. And then the question is, why do we want to make this? Why do we want to spend that $49 to make this? Now we want to start issuing certificates to our users as well as companies who have purchased Accentuate CRM as well as ERP software. So once the company has purchased the CRM and ERP software, we will issue the company with a certificate of acknowledgement to say that you are currently using our software. And for users who have been using the software and for a certain period of time, what we wanted to do is we wanted to start issuing certificates to acknowledge that you have been using the software and you are a administrator of the software itself. So in the future, if let's say you go to another company and you start and let's say for example your superior asks you if you have got previous experiences with software or administering an enterprise software, you can actually have proof to show them that you actually did administer a software before, and you have been a pretty consistent user in the software. So that's about it for today's video update. If let's say you are a user or a company, you are using our software and we actually missed you out in our mailing list, please do write in to us and request for your certificates. We will be printing them. I'll be hand signing them, and then you'll be able to receive your certificate with this company seal embossed into the certificate itself. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you guys again. Thank you.